And let's move on here. The next topic is promoting a frame navigation to a page visit. This is something that we already discussed. There are times when we want changes in the frame to be saved in browser's history. Sometimes if we want users to be able to get to the previous pagination page, or if we want to make it easier for users to bookmark a certain page with certain articles, then we want to update the browser's URL every time a user clicks on the previous or next page. And as you remember, we already discussed this covering the Turbo Drive. We said that there are two types of navigation actions, advance and replace. And we already said that if it is of type advance, it will be persisted in the history. Let me go back to editor now and open articles controller and replace this with and now let's go back to index and wrap this part with turbo frame tag and give it an ID of articles list. Okay, now let's go back to the browser and let me refresh. As you see, we now show pagination controls. Let us do one more thing here. Let's go back to the editor and move cap and just content space between and refresh. So as you see now, currently the URL doesn't contain page number. If we go back to the URL, you see that we didn't yet add the annotation that we talked about. So at this stage, if we navigate between pages, for example, if I go to the next page, nothing is being added to the URL. URL doesn't change. If I go back to the previous one, it also doesn't change. And now let us add the annotation that we talked about. And let's now refresh. As you see, when we just start using it on the initial page, we still don't get the page number. But if we click the next page, you see it's being updated. And if we click on the previous page, it again gets added. Turbo frames are also used to implement confirmation models.